Hello, IELTS aspirants. Today I have brought a compilation of 15 band booster synonyms, collocations, and related vocabulary for frequently used words in IELTS. Yes, guys, you heard it right. These words will boost your band and you will come across them in all the 4 modules of IELTS. At the end of the video, I am going to give you 2 useful tips to follow while replacing these basic words with a richer vocabulary. So stay tuned till the end of this informative video. Now, let's get started. So guys, the first word is nowadays. This word is frequently used in IELTS in all the 4 modules and you can replace it with in the contemporary era. The second word is increase. You can use the word escalate, inflation, or burgeon to boost your band. The third word is decrease. Use plummet, slacken, or downturn because decrease is a very basic word. To replace think, you should use the word contemplate or reckon. Now, guys, don't forget to learn their spellings also because spellings also matter in IELTS. The next word is traditional. So use the word conventional or customary. Youngsters. Youngsters is again a very common word when it comes to writing module or the speaking module. So you can replace it with adolescents, juveniles, or Gen Zs. Wondering what is Gen Z? Okay, let me tell you. So guys, this is the compilation of the generation names wherein I will be telling you the names of the generations for the people who are born after 1900. So the people who were born in between 1901 to 1901 to 1924 are called the greatest generation. The people who were born in between 1925 to 1945 are called the silent generation. The people born in between 1946 to 1964 are called the baby boomer generation. Generation X is termed for the people who are born between 1965 to 1979. Millennials are the kids born between 1980 to 1994. Generation Z is termed for the kids who are born between 1995 to 2012, and they are right now the teenagers or what we call adolescents. And Gen Alpha is used for the kids who are born from 2013 and will be termed till for the kids those who will be born till 2025. Now, the other words which are frequently used in IELTS exam are bad effect. So for bad effect, you can use the term detrimental, catastrophic, or precarious. For good effect, you can use the collocation, affirmative consequence, or favorable outcome. For computer technology, of course, this is a very common word in all the 4 modules. You can use information technology or cybernetics. For the word important, you can use indispensable, vital, or paramount. Replace the word wrong with erroneous or inaccurate. The next set of words are city. City can be replaced with a collocation urban areas, cosmopolitan areas, metropolitan areas. Village can be replaced by suburban areas, rural areas, or hamlet. Now, governing authorities and ruling authorities can be used instead of government because, guys, you might be knowing that one main parameter to follow in IELTS exam is that you should not repeat a word again and again. That also lowers your band. So with the help of these words, you can really increase your band because this shows your knowledge of the lexical resource you have. Okay, the next word is food and cooking. You can use the word cuisine and culinary science for both of them. Then the last word is famous people. For famous people, you can use the synonyms like starlets, then the collocation like eminent personalities or luminary personalities. Now, let's discuss the important tip for you have been waiting for. So guys, the first tip is that the formation of a sentence may alter when we try to fit a synonym. Yes, guys. So when you try to fit a synonym, if you feel that this is not a good word and you want to fit a better synonym, a rich vocabulary word in a sentence, sometimes it is necessary to change the formation of the sentence also. The second tip is not every synonym or collocation that you come across for a word go along in all the contexts. In order to gain expertise, we need to know their appropriate usage and must do a lot of practice. Yes, guys. So when you browse for some synonyms on the Google, you might find 10 synonyms for a word. And you even know that this is the higher band vocabulary. But at times, we don't know how to put that particular word in the context we are talking about. So you need to do a lot of practice before you can finally judge which word will go for what context, because many words have different contexts even if they are synonymous. So that's it for today, guys. Follow these tips along with your core practice and subscribe to our channel to get more tips, tricks, and strategies. To connect with us for online IELTS training or free mock tests, DM or WhatsApp on the number below. The number is 8810435500. Once again, 8810435500. So that's it for today, guys. Have a great day. Bye.